My name's Vicky Jones and I'm the North Wales Commissioning Manager for Substance Misuse, and I'm accountable to the Area Planning Board here in North Wales. And I came along today really to contribute to the discussions from a commissioning point of view. I think the main points that were really raised was around how we can try and legislate against the drugs, but actually that not being the only answer, and us needing to adopt a multifaceted approach, primarily looking at prevention and education around novel psychoactive substances, and obviously then support elements to that for people who are using them and finding them to be problematic. But ultimately prevention for me is really, really important in terms of trying to stop people using them in the first place, really. I think in terms of the committee's recommendations, what I would like to see is us being able to find out more information about novel psychoactive substances so that we can plan effectively based on informed knowledge of the subject. I would also want them to be heavily recommending prevention and consistent prevention messages, and really for us to be able to look at a multifaceted approach and not one size fits all. That would be really important.